Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you to bring you a news that may surprise you to the core. Dubai, the desert city of UAE, now stands flooded. It is the same Dubai that once used to seed clouds and artificial rains is now flooded due to heavy rainfalls. The amount of rainfall that Dubai receives in 18 months span has been received in a single day, causing havoc in the city, which is not ready for such rainwater, as it has no dedicated sewage system or drainage system due to irregular rainfall patterns. But why is it happening in Dubai? It is happening due to meteorological phenomena, a larger sandstorm which is passing through the Arabian Peninsula and moving towards the Gulf of Oman. Towards the Oman, where already 18 lives have been lost due to heavy rainfall. And now it is the turn of Dubai, where the airports, the metro lines, the taxi services have come to the halt in one of the busiest city in the world. And here are more details about the Dubai floods. The United Arab Emirates on Tuesday experienced the heaviest rains ever recorded in the country. Over the course of few hours, various segments of Dubai experienced heavy flooding. According to a report by Associated Press, the rains in Dubai flooded out portions of highways and Dubai International Airport. Lightning was seen flashing across the sky, with it even occasionally touching the tip of Burj Khalifa. The local news agency of the country said that historic weather event was the heaviest rainfall on record since the country had started documenting and collecting data since 1949. The rains began on late Monday and the region experienced some 20 millimeters of rain, reported AP. The rains intensified on Tuesday morning at around 9 a.m. and continued throughout the day. By the end of Tuesday, Dubai had experienced more than 142 millimeters of rainfall in 24 hours, which is far more than 94.7 millimeters the Dubai International Airport experiences in an average year, according to the report. What has now caused such heavy rains? According to the report by local media, Dubai's rains are associated with larger storm which is crossing the Arabian Peninsula and is moving across the Gulf of Oman, bringing unusually wet weather to Oman and southeast Iran. Various countries across the world have been affected by unusual weather and floods. Flash floods in Pakistan have recently led to deaths of several across the country. The airport was affected by rainfall, reported the AP, and ended up halting arrivals. Passengers struggled to reach their terminals due to the flood water. And runways were affected by standing water, said the report. According to the locals, one cannot even get to the taxi as people are sleeping in the metro station. There are people sleeping at the airport too. Dubai International Airport said on Wednesday morning that the flooding had affected flights as airport crews could not reach the airfield. Police and emergency personnel drove through the flooded streets of Dubai. The city's metro system was disrupted and stations experienced flooding. Schools were largely shut and government employees were working remotely if possible, as reported by the Associated Press. Authorities took up the task of pumping out water. According to the report, the police said that 70-year-old man is Ras Al Khamai, who died when his vehicle was swept away by the water from the floods. The Emirate of Fujairah saw the heaviest rainfall, measuring 145 millimeters. The UAE does not ordinarily experience such rainfall. Therefore, the roadways and the other areas lack drainage, given the fact that there is lack of regular rainfall. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.